Good morning, everyone. Today I woke up at 6 o'clock. My alarm rang and I got out of bed immediately. I stretched my arms and legs for a few minutes. The room felt quiet and peaceful this morning. I opened the window and enjoyed the cool air. The fresh breeze helped me wake up naturally. After that, I headed straight to the bathroom. I brushed my teeth carefully before doing anything else. Then I washed my face with cool water. I felt much more awake after that. Next, I combed my hair and changed clothes. Wearing clean clothes always improves my mood. Before breakfast, I drank a large glass of water. This habit helps me start the day healthier. Then I went to the kitchen for breakfast. Today I prepared eggs, toast, and hot coffee. The smell of coffee filled the kitchen. I enjoyed my breakfast while thinking about today. After eating, I cleaned the dishes right away. A clean kitchen makes the morning feel better. Then I checked my calendar and daily schedule. I reviewed the tasks I planned yesterday. Writing priorities helps me stay focused all day. Next, I spent 10 minutes reading a book. Reading every morning keeps my mind active. After reading, I took a short walk outside. The weather was cool, bright, and comfortable. I noticed birds singing in nearby trees. Small moments like this make me feel grateful. When I returned home, I felt refreshed and ready. I organized my desk before starting any work. Everything looked neat and easy to find. A good morning routine creates positive momentum. It helps me stay productive throughout the day. Now I am ready to begin my work.